that's really all I want to say about diatomic molecules. You do need to memorize these. What it means to be a diatomic is that if you can bond with somebody, like let's say, here are your Brinkelhoffs, right there. Maybe iodine can find somebody to bond with, like maybe you have NaI, okay? That works. You don't need another molecule another atom of iodine in there. Just one works fine. However, if Na leaves and goes away and I is stuck by itself, it has nothing to bond with, then it'll go ahead and bond by itself. Diatomic molecules do not exist by themselves in nature. They always need to be bonded to some other element, or if they're left alone, they bond to themselves. So two methods to remember this is Brinkelhoff, and Brinkelhoff stands for, here we go, they're right here. You've got Br, which is bromine, iodine, nitrogen, chlorine, hydrogen, oxygen, and fluorine. Those 7 elements cannot exist alone in nature. You never write a balance an equation and say something like H plus I. Doesn't happen. Hydrogen right there will have to be a 2, and iodine right there will also have to be a 2. Cannot exist alone in nature. Brinkelhoff is a great way to remember it. If you can't remember how to spell it or it doesn't work for you, then the other option is H77. H77 uses the periodic table, so what you'll do is you'll see that you have hydrogen here, and that's your first one, and then the 7, you go to the 7th element, which is nitrogen. Then you make the shape of a 7, so you go nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. Ignore noble gases because they don't like to bond with anybody, they're on their own. Fluorine bonds with itself, chlorine bonds with itself, bromine, iodine, same thing. So you make the shape, you have hydrogen, and then the 7th element, and then the shape of a 7, and if you don't know where to stop, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and you're done.